This is the YamahaBros guard dog. Right on. All right, boys. Day 2 of the YFM80. We're back at Mark's garage. Got this thing up on a cart. Jay's got some parts off of eBay. We're gonna try and do a new cylinder, top end rebuild, and the timing chain. Jay's got the parts in the truck bed there. Straight off the boat from China. Battery out, get the rear plastics off, take the muffler off, take the carburetor off. Basically undo everything that we already did last time. Now that we know it needs a rebuild. We're gonna get it. The YamahaBros, man. Follow along, Rex.
You wanna hear this thing run?
Today.
All right, taking the stator off. There's 2 screws right here we used with the impact screwdriver. And we're gonna take this little magneto and repair that. Take that out of there.
Move it. Yeah. There it goes. What's the right move? Look at that. We're into the chain. You see the chain?
Yeah.
Look, this ain't even on the right side.
It's because it broke off.
Good thing I got those.
Good thing you got it.
Hopefully they're right.
Wow. I think the chain was a little loose.
Hopefully this is the right shape or not.
See how this wiggles like this?
My money doesn't jingle jingle, it folds.
Wiggle wiggles.
It folds.
My timing chain doesn't stay tight, it jiggles. All right, now we're gonna pull the 4 head bolts off and
Take that.
pull the head off, pull the jug off, see what this piston looks like.
And action. Ooh. There's a...
This shit's rusty as a motherfucker.
It's a rusty cylinder. Here's the broken, worn out.
No, that's a good one, right? Yeah, it's
Yeah,
a
we
good
could-
one.
No, that,
You can
that,
tell
that
how
was
much
the
smaller
bottom
that
one.
is than the one you got.
No, it's a good one because it still has a thing.
Oh, you're right, because here's the other one that's broke down the bottom.
Alright, now
So hold that up to your other piece. Valves are open and rusty. So you probably ought to disassemble the cylinder head.
probably not.
Why not? I have the stuff to do it.
Yeah, we're supposed to make it YamahaBros.
Yeah, but I'm not fucking doing valve seals and shit like
You don't have to do valve seals, just to clean it up. Hold your pony here. That.
that.
You have the And there you go.
There it be.
Ready?
YFM80.
Oh, baby, that's smoked.
I just want to see if it's the original piston.
No, I'm sure. That's junk. I'm sure that cylinder is just as junk.
It's legit though. This crank's tight as hell.
Right, so we just gotta get some good parts on there and we'll be all set, you know what I mean?
Better parts.
Straight off the boat from China.
This is out here too.
Oh, this stuff. Is it out?
Almost.
Out enough though, I think I can get it off if I get my socket out of there. Oh yeah. That bitch was hammered. My finger's stuck. Give me a fucking pair of pliers. Oh, God. So we got nothing to hold the crank still.
What do you want me to do? Hold the crank?
There, just hold that like that. Don't try not to wreck the gasket and all that stuff.
I'm trying not to do anything. Just holding it. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. Mark got this cylinder on there looking mint, but eBay listed the timing kit for this incorrectly, so we're going to get a new one coming in the mail, slap it back on here, and hopefully she'll fire up. Maybe we can take it for a ride over some sweet junk.